Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On 4th June 2021, the Cabinet Committee on Security allowed the issuance of RFP for 6 diesel-electric attack submarines to both Mazagon Shipyard Limited and L&T Shipyard for a total of 43,000 crores. The project under which these submarines are being manufactured is Project 75I. This is something which we all know, but in this video I thought of covering details on how many recent deliveries are going to happen from Mazagon Shipyard. I would not be covering the L&T Shipyard in this particular video. We would quickly see what other ships and submarines are pending delivery from Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders so that they can make themselves free for this upcoming Project 75I mega project. The Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, which was formerly known as the Mazagon Dock Limited, is a shipyard situated in Mumbai. It manufactures warships and submarines for the Indian Navy and offshore platforms and associated support vessels for offshore oil drilling. Not just that, it also builds tankers, cargo bulk carriers, passenger ships, and ferries. We will just see the part relevant to Indian Navy in this video. If we quickly see the orders which would be delivered in the near future by this shipyard, there are frigates, destroyers, and submarines in the line. So let's begin with the current year, which is 2021. The first ship which is going to be delivered is INS Visakhapatnam. INS Visakhapatnam is the lead ship of the Visakhapatnam class stealth-guided missile destroyers of Indian Navy. This ship is being constructed at Mazagon Dock Limited and it was launched on 20th April 2015, and this ship is expected to be commissioned by end of 2021. So that was about 2021. Now let's see what is pending from Mazagon Dock during year 2022. The first ship in the list is the INS Nilgiri. INS Nilgiri is the lead ship of Nilgiri class stealth-guided missile frigates, which is being built by the Mazagon Shipyard Dock Limited for the Indian Navy. The ship was laid down on 28 December 2017 and it was launched on 28 September 2019. INS Nilgiri is expected to be commissioned by August 2022 tentatively. The next ship in the list is the INS Mormugao. INS Mormugao is the second ship of Visakhapatnam class stealth-guided missile destroyers. She is being constructed at Mazagon Dock Limited and it was launched on 17th September 2016, and this ship is expected to be commissioned by 2022. The next one in the list is INS Vela. INS Vela is the fourth submarine of the first batch of 6 Kalvari class submarines for the Indian Navy. It is a diesel-electric attack submarine based on the Scorpion class, which is designed by the French Naval Defense and Energy Group DCNS. This submarine was launched on 6th May 2019 and expected to be commissioned by 2022. The next one in the list is INS Vagir. INS Vagir is the fifth submarine of the first batch of 6 Kalvari class submarines for the Indian Navy. It is again the diesel-electric attack submarine based on the Scorpion class. This ship was launched on 12th November 2020 and INS Vagir is expected to be commissioned in 2022. So that was a quick update on the recent deliveries which is going to be done by the Mazagon Dock Limited. So let's expect the Mazagon Shipyard delivers all the planned ships and submarines in the order on time and concentrates on the Project 75I mega project. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.